You see, a lot of the scholars have interpreted in some way or the other that arrogance, in some cases, most cases, not all the cases, most cases, many a times arrogance is out of ignorance. But then we may wonder why people who are very educated, a lot of degree and diploma and whatever, they're also arrogant. So then the pious, righteous people continue that statement by saying, arrogance in most cases is a sign of ignorance, but ignorance of the heart. Interesting, eh? Ignorance of the qalb. You may have a lot of brains, but the heart is not blessed with that wisdom. So it's ignorance of the heart. And what is ignorance of the heart? When the heart is blind. And Allah speaks in the Quran about the heart being blind. Allahu Akbar. When the heart has a seal over it, it cannot understand and face reality with all the LLB, MBBS, and the ASS after the titles. What is it, brothers? What? Associate? What? A degree in Associate of Social Studies, ASS. So don't think wrong when I say ASS. I'm an Associate in Social Studies, ASS. So with all these titles, it may not necessarily mean that the heart has knowledge, which is spiritual knowledge, which is wisdom and barakat from Allah.